And hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I bring the world's first foldable personal computer for you, and I'm pretty sure I've never seen this kind of uh, personal computer before, because this gadget is really cool, and this product is from ThinkPad X1 Fold, and as we can see here, this is the product. And this is a foldable personal PC. Whoa, so it's amazing. And now I'm going to talk on this product. I'm going to have a very brief introduction about this product and the accessories within these books. So first, before we go to the personal computer, we can find that they provide a customized, very slim and very thick keyboard. From the official website, we know that this is customized and can be used for this pad, because when we close this pad, there will be a gap. Then we can put this keyboard into the gap, and also it have a magnetic touch. So when we put it here, it will automatically attach it. And now here it's like just like a small personal computer, but the screen actually is not so big. It's only 9.6 inch, and fully is 13.3 big inch. And also here is the stylus, the Lenovo mode pen, they call it. They have a refresh it or right click functions for this pen, and also we can put it here. Yeah, so it's very convenient when we hold it like this. Yeah, and when we hold it in hand, we can find it's not big. Actually, it's twice less than the normal the traditional personal computer we used before. And also one of the main features about this foldable personal computer is super light and super small, very small. It's only 999 grams, and also the size about this pad is actually not so big. For the length, it's only 299 mm, and for the width is 235 mm, and for the depth or for the thickness is 11.3 mm. So it's pretty small, and it's small and super light. It's very convenient, and we can take it. And also, if you are a businessman, you go abroad or you could travel, you can use this as a personal computer to do the office work, or use it to watch TV or play games or watch some movies. So this is pretty convenient. Yeah, it's so cool. And also this time for this pad, another main features is that it have a quite good screen display performance about this device here. Yes, we can unlock it. When we find just a big screen in front of us. It's 13.3 inch, and it supports 2K OLED display resolution, and also it can go to 300 nit peak brightness for this screen. And also before the other specifications, we can find these 3 bird words, and this logo appeared 2 times here. And for the 3 birdie, you may know that this is a very famous science fiction from China. It's written by Liu Cixin, and the Liu Cixin team, they sold this IP to big companies, and they a lot of money. And this time, and also for the science fiction, is very futuristic, and also I think this time why the Lenovo they worked with the illustration team for use 3-birdie wallpaper or the logo, because they think that this time the X Fold is a new species in the world, and they like something from the future. So it's very very high technology, and also for the material and for the design and for everything they used, we know that this product is it's a high end product, and the focus on the high end users, and so this also for the security, they will provide high end feelings for the users. So this is pretty cool for these two IPs to work together for this product for us. And also we can find that the material of the leather and the shining plastic or glass material is provide a good feeling of high end. And also when we can open it, and here we can unlock it. Here they can provide different modes for us to choose and to display the screen. 2 screens, 1 screen, so lot of actions for us to choose. And also we can get the basic information about this device. Here is the about the CPU information about this personal computer. This time they use the Core i5 processor, and they have a 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, and it support LPDDR4 and SSD technology. And also this time they use the Intel Lakefield chips. It's one of the most advanced chips from Intel. And also they have here is a front camera, and this time they have a 5 megapixel front camera, and we can test the camera function here. Yeah, so it's have a front camera 55 megapixel. So this is also very useful for businessmen. Yeah. Also besides the camera part, it's a 50 watt hours batteries capacity, and also it supports 65 watt Type-C charging. So normally for 10.4 hours it can support for the stand time about these products. Yeah, so this is the main information about these products. As you can see, it's pretty cool, and also it have a Jubilee Atomons sound qualities, and also it have a two Type-C port. One is USB generation 1, and one is generation 2. So this is also another features. And also this time for the X1 Fold is have a full-time 5G connections. It can provide smoothly internet experience for this pad. And last, I'm going to show you the customized, how to use this customized keyboard. Yeah, attach it. Okay, wrong directions. Attach it like this, and it will automatically attach it. And here we close it. And also now the keyboard is in the gap of this foldable personal computer. So this is pretty good, right? Yeah, you can hold it in your hand, and now the world is in your hand, and you take it anywhere and use your bed, work, or office tool. So actually this can really save a lot of your space, and also can provide can take it very easily and conveniently. So this is very quick and very simple introduction video about this product, the ThinkPad X1 Fold. Hope you like this video and like this kind of product from the future. Just like the slogan for the product, think about age of evolution. I think every time or every year or every century, there's some product will lead in the future, lead the high technology. I hope this one will lead the future, and the more in the future, the more and more product will be more cool. And here is the combination of PC and foldable phones. Yeah, more technology, high technology product we hope to see in the future. Thanks. Bye bye.